Hi, my name is Todd Kopcznski, and I will be starting my 14th year at Monroe Middle School teaching sixth grade language arts. This year, I will also be teaching social studies. This is a picture of my wife, Amy, and I. Amy is also a teacher at Monroe Middle School, and this is our dog named Dog. We took this on vacation a couple of summers ago. I live in the community and I enjoy seeing families and students and former students out and about. There's probably a pretty good chance that I've taught your siblings or your cousins, neighbors, friends, and I really look forward to the opportunity to start teaching you. Here are some of the major topics that we're going to be covering in language arts this year. We're going to start off with reading fiction and also a writing unit where we're going to be writing narrative stories, true stories about our lives. Here are a few of the topics in social studies that we will be going over throughout the course of this semester, starting with early humans. Over here, you can see the grading scale that we're going to be using for language arts and social studies. It's going to remain the same as it has been in the past, 45, 45, 10. So 45% is going to be for formative grades. Formative grades are any grades where you're practicing and learning. 45% will be summative grades, and that's where you're showing more mastery. That would be tests, quizzes, projects, and 10% participation, homework. If you need to contact me, the best way to do it is through Canvas. And everything that we do will be through on my Canvas pages for ELA and for social studies. If you find inbox on the left side, you can send me a message and I will be sure to get back to you as soon as I can. You can also just email me at the school email. It's todd.kopcznski@ucps.k12.nc.us. You could also call the school and they could leave me a message. That would work too. This coming Monday, what I would like my students to do, as long as all your technology is working, I would like you to log in and I want you to go to Canvas in your cloud. And on my pages, I will have simple directions on what I want you to do for day one. So I'm really looking forward to working with all of you. And I know that we're going to have a great year this year. Thank you.